Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna make a video showing how to remove the dipping powder safely for your real nails. Okay, sorry for my English. I'm trying to explain it so you guys can understand it. If you don't understand anything, just comment below and I will answer. So this is the nails I just did, and I just do 2 layers of the color and it already solid. The color number is 84, 84 and 75. What I will do now, what you need is a gel remover and acetone and a nail files. Now start buffing your nails. Okay, you don't want to do your nails too thick, just 2 or 3 layers so your nails can take up easier and it also have a natural look. Just keep filing. The thinner you file, the more you file, the thinner it is, and the thinner it is, the faster it come off. Just watch out, just be careful with your cuticle up here when you file, because the file pretty sharp. You may got cut, okay? So, alright. I didn't file a lot though, to see how long it's gonna take it off. Now you apply the gel remover over it and leave it there for like 5 minutes. Just keep, this way it take a little more work, but you will save your nail, your skin up here when you soak with acetone. It's way safer. Okay, leave it there for 5 minutes, and while you're waiting for this to soak off, you file another nails. Okay, keep filing another nails and keep apply it. After each nail, apply it, and then move to next one, next one, next one, and next one. And when you're done with this nail should be enough time to chip down. Now you use the acetone to make it soak off faster. Use acetone, rub it all over. Keep rubbing it. See? Woohoo! Keep rubbing it, and it will soak up by itself. Pretty easy, right? Well, it doesn't take that long though, but you can see your nails will turn out super healthy and it's completely off. And this is how it look. And this is my real nails. I don't get anything on there because I can do by 2 hands. You guys is genius if you can do 2 hands, but I can only do 1 hand. But look, no different, like not much different. Okay, all right, I hope it helped you guys. Bye.